So many viewers.
What
What is your son doing? His hair, uncle, he's crying. That's why I mute because he's asking me a soda and fries. Oh no, yes. Yes, uncle. Because his cousin is eating fries and fries and soda. That's why he wants also. That's why I mute